Okay, so today we're gonna be doing a valve cover gasket. I have a leak going on in the back of the valve cover, so I'm hoping this will get rid of it. I'm gonna do it the right way this time and seal up any corners with Honda Bond, which is strongly recommended. So we're gonna go ahead and install our magnetic drain plug from Skunk 2. So I will highly recommend this magnetic drain plug. Just look how strong this thing is. That's insane. And I honestly can't wait to see what it catches. We have our OEM Honda filter. I would only recommend using these just because they're so cheap. This one was $7 from my local Honda dealer. So not only will we be replacing the valve cover gasket, but we're also replacing this broken bolt here. I think that may be the reason why it's leaking, and probably because I didn't use any sealant the last time I did the valve cover. So we're also going to be taking care of a few bolts that were missing. I have a bunch of bolts that I ordered from Honda, so we'll be installing those. Here's the gasket. So before you install the new valve cover gasket, make sure you clean these areas where the gasket will meet the head. Well, I don't think it's the head, but whatever, the engine. Make sure you clean it off real good. Make sure there's nothing on there so that the gasket makes full contact with the head at all times. So I got the new bolt in and it bolted up pretty nice. I wasn't able to find the torque specs, but I just tightened it as much as I could without putting too much pressure on it. I put Honda Bond on every 90-degree angle that I can find, including over here. So do that, and then you wait a minute to put your valve cover gasket back on, and you'll be good to go. So I'm pretty much done here. The only thing left is to finish painting that intake manifold cover, which I should have it done in a few hours or so, but right now I'm gonna go ahead and do a test drive, just make sure that everything's going well. But either way, I appreciate you for watching the video. I know it's kind of a short video and not really all that exciting, but I have a couple more things going on with this RSX, so stay tuned. Please subscribe, leave a comment, and thank you.